Hello everyone, I hope everyone are doing fine. So in this lecture, we will be seeing built-in class attributes, static and class methods, and garbage collection. Okay, so let us see what is a built-in class attribute. So in previous class, we have written a simple code of classes and objects, right? So built-in class attributes are nothing but there are certain attributes that are built in, and we can use them in order to know the class name, the module name, and the name of the class, the dictionary, and the documentation string, and etc. Okay, so every Python class keep following built-in attributes, and they can be accessed using dot operator like any other attribute. Okay, so what you're going to do is just write the object name and write the syntaxes which are provided here. Okay, so let us see one by one. That is, first let us see dict. Okay, so what shall we write is, this is the code which I have written in the last lecture. Print object name dot, let us write first is dict, and let's run it, and we got the dictionary. There is nothing but the value of x is 5. Okay, next let us write print obj dot class main. Okay, so by default the class name, the answer we will be getting is main. Okay, the module, that is nothing but the main. Okay, so this attribute is main in interactive mode. For the class and module, we'll be getting the same. Okay, and next one is dictionary. We have seen name, module, and you can see all these things. Okay, just try it for yourself. Okay, you will be getting an easy answer that you will be getting understanding by yourself. Okay, and next thing is garbage collection. So okay, Python deletes unwanted objects, built-in types of class instances automatically to free the memory space. The process by which Python periodically frees and reclaims blocks of memory that are no longer in use is called Python garbage collection. Okay, so while we are writing code, we will be creating some objects which are not at all useful. Okay, and while writing very big programs, okay, you will be creating an objects which are not useful. So the lot of memory will be wasting by this, right? So in order to prevent that one, Python has a feature that is garbage collection, and it will automatically delete the unwanted objects, that is nothing but non-useful objects, and it will automatically go into the garbage collection. Okay, so Python's garbage collector runs during program execution and is triggered when an object's reference count reaches 0. Okay, so when an object is referencing to nothing and when the code is being executed, and if the object has no references, then automatically it will be shifted to the garbage collection. That is nothing but it will automatically delete it. Okay, so I hope you got it. What is a garbage collection? Okay, so Python uses two strategies for memory allocation, that is reference counting and garbage collection. Okay, so first one is reference counting. What is that one? And it will count the references of number of references of objects which it is pointing to, and if the count of the references reaches 0, then automatically the object will be deleted and it will get shifted to the garbage collection. Okay, so this is nothing but garbage collection. And an object reference count increases when it is assigned to a new name or placed in a container, list, tuple, or dictionary, right? Automatically it will increase. Okay, so the object references count decreases when it is deleted with del and its reference is reassigned or its reference goes out of the scope. Okay, so when we delete that one, or if the reference is reassigned, then the count will be automatically decreased. Okay, so when an object reference count reaches 0, Python collects it automatically. That's nothing but the garbage collector counters it automatically. So by this garbage collection, we are saving a lot of memory. Okay, and at last we will be seeing the static methods and class method. Okay, so static method are similar to class methods, but it does not reveal any additional arguments. Python has a handy syntax called a decorator to apply the static method. So it is similar to the class methods. Okay, first let us see what is a class method. Class method are little different from the ordinary methods, that is nothing but ordinary functions. They are called by class. Okay, and the first argument of the class method is CLS, not self. Okay, so there is nothing but the first argument in the functions, that is nothing but the class method, is always CLS, and after that you need to write arguments. Okay, we'll be writing a program on class and static methods, so you guys will understand very easily. Okay, the syntax is very easy. First you need to create a class and you need to put a class method and you need to write the function here, that is the class method. And for the starting methods, create a function, put a starting method, write the function, and that's it. Okay, so let us write class and static methods now. So I have created a class and static method program. So let us start our executing a program. Okay, first date time import date. First let us write my class and put the constructor, write self comma name comma age, and let us instantiate them. That is nothing but self dot name equal to name, self dot age equal to age, and after that let us put a static method now. Static method define age, and what should we pass? Let us pass age as an argument. Yeah, if age is greater than, what do you say, let us write 5, or let us write 10. Let us just return true, else let us just return false. These are just random assumptions. Okay, you can do anything inside if and else. And after that, let's create a class method. Class method and define by year, and what you're gonna do is my class name year, and let us return my class, and what you're gonna do is name comma date comma today, and also the year minus year. Okay, so no need to worry, I will explain this whole code once after completing my typing. Okay, let us print employee name is self dot name age self dot age. Okay, so let us go and create an object first. obj1 equal to my class, and let us pass two names. Let us just take ABCD and 15, and let us pass obj1 dot desp. Let us also create one more in order to demonstrate the class method. That is my class, and now what you're gonna do is let us just pass an year 2002. obj2 dot display print, and what you're gonna do is my class dot, what is function name which we have written, age, right? Let us just change it to age function. Age function of 11 print my class dot age function of 5. Now let me run this program. Yes, so what is happening here is minus here, right? So what is happening here is, so first we have imported the date time module, and it is very simple. It will just fetch the date and time of the module. Okay, so what is happening here is we have created a class, and after that we created a constructor, and we have instantiated them, and we have written a static method here. That is nothing but a normal function. Okay, and we have written age function. I passed age as a parameter, and I've just given us some random conditions here. Okay, now if age is greater than 10, it returns true, or else it returns false. And this is a class method. That is nothing but diff by year, my class name year. Okay, so my class is nothing but obj1, that is nothing but self or cls or whatever. Okay, and we are returning my class of name comma date dot today dot year, that is nothing but it will fetch the year of today, that is nothing but the present year, minus the year which you have passed, that is nothing but 1982. Okay, and it is for just for displaying. Okay, and here we have forgot one thing, that is while we're creating for demonstrating the class method, right, we need to write by year. Okay, so this will evoke the directly, and for this one, since we have passed the year, it will go here, and after that it will return the name comma date dot today minus year. We are passing here, right, 1982. And what is the date, the year which are here now, 2021. 2021 minus 1992 will give the answer. So let me run this program. So it is being executed, and we got this one is employee ones, that is just something, and this is employee 2, that is nothing but 1982, and we got age 39. And we also checking the age function, that is just easy accessing, that is my class.age function of 11, that will go here, and if age is greater than 10, we are returning true, right? So 11 means it will return true, or else it will return false. Okay, so have you guys understood what is the use of class and static methods? These are very easy to understand, right? There is nothing complex in this one. So there is only one thing to remember while you are accessing class method. You need to write dot function name while you are creating an object, right? So that's it from the class and objects, and we will be seeing inheritance in our next module. Okay, so thank you everyone.